Hi guys, I'm Nastya. In this video I offer you to make such a lovely purse from cardboard, fabric and glue. If you're interested, let's get started. For the base, take firm cardboard. My piece of cardboard has irregular shape, so I straightened it. We get a rectangle 23 by 28 cm in size. Now do the lines using a knife, but be careful, don't cut it off. We must get such detail. Bend along these lines, try not to tear the cardboard. I broke sharp corners, but it's needed. Use double-sided tape to glue a piece of patterned polyester to the cardboard. We need it to make our purse more soft and nice on the touch. Cut along the edge. Choose fabric you like, cut necessary piece with oversize for the band. Iron the fabric. Using glue for fabric and cardboard, paste the edges to the cardboard. Fold corners like in video. For best fixation, use paper clips. Cut off all unnecessary and glue corners. Cut the sides at a distance of 6 cm from the upper edge. We glue two side pieces with frayed edges. Cut out a tail for the back side. Finish the edge and glue it. Your fabric can become saturated with glue, but after once dry there won't be a trace. Glue side pieces to another edge. Glue a piece of ribbon to make our purse close. Measure out needed length, cut the edge at an angle and melt it under the flame. Tie the ribbon into a bow. That's all, our purse is ready. Thank you for watching the video. For your likes and comments, I wish you many successes. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you next video. Bye bye!